help will get me out of there. It's only been time to get me out of there. Yes. And in the back is down in the back. Listen, boy, Gunpowder Pete. If you see him, just run. I swear it. You're all gonna end up in here if you don't pay attention. Goodness, you're just staring at me.
All right, everyone over there. Can you see him? Gunpowder Pete, that's what we're looking for. If you see him, do not approach him. Just let the authorities know. They will let me know, and in turn, when upon capture, you will get to split the reward with me 90-10. 90-10, yes. Very good. Everyone doesn't seem so excited. Just keep an eye out for him. He's dangerous, like I said. Oh! Wait, you're still too wide. Aha! I see you're incognito. Well done. All right. Gunpowder Pete, that's what we're looking for. You do not want to approach him. He's very dangerous. But if you see him, you let the authorities know. They will let me know. And in exchange, we will split the reward. That's right. 90%, 10%. A fair split if I... Ha ha ha. No. How much do you think you're worth? 20%? All right, you twisted my arm, I'll give you 20%. Just you though, no one else. You're a good negotiator. All right, everyone, right over here, if I can have your attention, Gunpowder Pete. That's what you're looking for. Do not approach him if you see him, he's very dangerous. But you let the authorities know where he is, they'll let me know. We'll upon capture, we're gonna split that reward. That's right, 90-10. It's a fair, what is that? All right. 95-5, perfect. All right, you are a shrewd negotiator there, ma'am. All right, very good. I don't know why you think you deserve more. I made the poster. I've got the overhead on this. All right, I've invested money in his backyard. No, I'm kidding. Larceny, looting, lewdness, all these things, and you are going to help capture him. Do not approach him. I cannot reiterate that enough. He is very dangerous. You do not want to approach him. Just let the authorities know where he is. They will let me know, and upon capture, you will get 10% of the reward. He's got like braids done. Listen, all people with beards are not the same. That's beardism. All right. Right over here, Gunpowder Pete. That's who you're looking for. Do not approach him upon sight. Just let the authorities know where he is. They will let me know, and once we capture him, you are going to split the reward with me. That's why you're going to get 10% of that reward. I know, pretty generous of me. I know. That's right. One last look, take a last look at that poster, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Now the landlord is getting that boat. I know you might get a little seasick, get out used to it. So take that look at the ground on the beach.
If ye be brave, or cool enough to face a pirate's curse, proceed. Ha 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 ha! I am the appointee in this castle.
Ye scallywags. Save some loot for your old mate Jolly Roger, eh?
yourself, you miserable cur! Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroach! Surrender,
Where'll be Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim?
I'm down, you jolly-livered lubber! Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Now, you swabbies, what be I offered for these hearty heads? Every one an egg layer.
not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat!
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boys?
The treasure map and the key as well.
What is the landlord? You think you're gonna catch me? Too slow. If you think you're getting my treasure, you're too late. And if you want that reward, well, how about you take a walk off the plank instead? Because no one crosses Gunpowder Pete lives to tell the tale. Oh. Well, what do we have here? Strange tide brings in stranger people, I guess. You think you're gonna catch me? You're too late! You think you're getting my treasure while you're too slow? Hit him with a
Is that not you, like romantic wind at least?